video is on the LG Billet defroster vent cover or dash saver or whatever they're calling it. This is the clip that holds it on. It goes down inside the vent. I'll show you a little bit. And what it does is it presses down inside the vent and holds it down. Well, on mine it tends to stick up like that. So what I did is I built this little used a piece of wire and with the rubber back insulation and put it in here, and it worked good in the summer, but once the vent came on and started putting some hot air up there, it got soft and then would let it pop up again. So now what I'm doing is I built this little clip. It's going to go on here like this, and it will go through the screw hole, and see how it'll just barely press on the plastic in the vent and hold this front down. So that's what I'm doing now, and it's an upgrade, so it's not going to deform when the hot air starts coming out of the vent. It'll screw down. It'll be captured in there. It's pretty simple to do. It takes a couple minutes. Just cut it out, drill a hole in it so it's captured in the screw that goes through here, and then so then it's captured. So then when you put it in the dash, it'll hold the front. It'll push down on the front, and this little aluminum piece will conform to whatever's there. Little easy fix. Not everybody might need it, but mine's probably deformed enough. It is a 30-year-old dash core, so there's an upgrade to the upgrade. Thanks for watching.